Hello guys, welcome to you all in this new JavaScript useful snippet series. So in this series we are gonna basically talk about some short codes which is useful in your JavaScript development. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go down below and subscribe it right now. So you will get notification whenever I'll upload a new episode in this series. Now let's get started. So in this episode we are gonna talk about compact function which will be used to remove all falsy value from array. Now let's create a function called compact. In that function we are gonna pass array in parameter, and in return I'm gonna just use filter method of array, which will give us an value whatever prediction we are given to that method in parameter. So it will return only those value who satisfy with that prediction. So right now I'm gonna just give it boolean value to in the parameter. So whatever the value I'm gonna, like whatever the value we are gonna get in array, it should be true, otherwise it won't return in array. Now if let's try to run and let's try to use this function. So for that I'm gonna just store compact function in my result constant, and in function I'm gonna pass array of values. In values I'm gonna include 0, 1, false, 2, empty string, 3, then some characters, then none object, then string, and value numbers, and like multiple values I'm gonna pass into this array. Okay, some of them are falsy. Now if let me just consolidate out the result. If you see a result, you will see that you will have only and only the truth value, or a value which have actual content in it. So that's all you are gonna get in a result. So this will be useful whenever you wanted to filter it out all falsy value from your array, and just wanted to extract true the value out of it. Then you can, at that time you can use this function. So thank you very much guys to watch this episode, and please hit like button if you found it informative, as well as share with your friends and colleagues, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so I will upload a new more and more episode like this.